Hello dear students, welcome back in this video lecture series. So dear students, we have started with the different oxidation states of nitrogen and their interconversion. In last lecture we have started with higher oxidation state of nitrogen, and that is nitrogen in plus pi oxidation state, okay, and the compounds, the oxide is generally N2O5, that is dinitrogen pentoxide. Here today we are going to see the lower oxidation states of nitrogen, their oxides and their oxyanions. Okay. So, let us start with nitrogen is in plus 4 and plus 3 oxides, nitrogen plus 3 and plus 4 oxides and their oxyanions. Okay. So, these plus 4 nitrogen is in plus 4 oxidation state, it is called NO2. Okay. The name of oxide is, we know that it is nitrogen dioxide. So, nitrogen dioxide is exist in which nitrogen is existing in plus 4 oxidation state, okay, and this plus 4 oxidation state has two compounds of nitrogen or two oxides of nitrogen, that is NO2 and N2O4, okay, that is nitrogen dioxide and dinitrogen tetroxide. Okay. Both of these compounds, both of these oxides are gaseous in state, okay, but these are exist as an equilibrium mixture. These two gases are exist as an equilibrium mixture with each other. Okay. So, NO2 gas is a brownish color radical and it is in equilibrium with colorless N2O4 gas, colorless dinitrogen tetroxide gas. Okay. So, both of these gases are always existing in equilibrium with each other. Okay. The reactions of these nitrogen 4 oxides we have to study here. In basic solution, that is in alkaline solution or in basic solution, this NO2, okay, reacts with this OH minus, that is in basic condition, okay, and it is get converted to NO2 minus and NO3 minus. Okay. So, nitrite and nitrate anions are formed. Okay. So, when NO2 gas, that is nitrogen dioxide gas, reacts with OH minus, that is in basic condition, this NO2 is existing in plus 4 oxidation state, it is get converted to plus 3 and plus 5 oxidation state oxides. Okay. So, nitrogen 4 is get converted to nitrogen 3 and nitrogen 5 oxidation state. Okay. So, nitrogen 3 is NO2 minus, that is nitrite, and NO3 minus is nitrate ion. Okay. So, it is in plus 5 oxidation state. Okay. So, this is the reaction in basic condition. Now, in acidic solution, that is in acidic condition, there is one change, the plus 5 oxidation state oxide, this plus 5 oxidation state oxyanion, that is NO3 minus, is still produced in the acidic condition, but there is a change as this species which is formed in basic condition, that is NO2 minus nitrate ion, is not formed. Instead of NO2 minus, there is a formation of NO, in which the oxidation number of nitrogen is plus 2. Okay. So, this is the difference between in acidic condition and in basic condition. Okay. So, in acidic condition NO2 minus, that NO2 is in acidic condition, that is nitrous acid, we call it as a nitrous acid HNO2. Okay. So, this HNO2, that is nitrous acid, is get disproportionate. Disproportionate means from one molecule we are getting the number of 2 or 3 molecules we are getting. That reaction is known as disproportionation reaction. So, only one molecule is there, only one compound, only one type of compound, let us say, that is HNO2. Okay. It is get disproportionate into, so 3 molecules of this HNO2 is get disproportionate into 2 molecules of NO, that is nitric oxide, in which oxidation state of nitrogen is 2 and one nitrate anion is formed, in which nitrogen is in plus 5 oxidation state. Okay. So, this is the difference, this difference may be asked in your examination. how the behavior of nitrogen 4, how the behavior of nitrogen 4, that is NO2 gas, is changing in acidic and in basic condition. So, only one difference is there. In basic condition it is giving +3 and +5 oxidation state products, that is nitrite and nitrate ion. Okay. But in acidic condition this NO2 is NO2 will be in compound form, acidic form, and it is called nitrous acid. That nitrous acid, 3 molecules of nitrous acid is get disproportionates into one nitrate anion, that is NO3 minus, but there is a formation of NO, that is nitric oxide molecule will be formed instead of formation of NO2 minus gas. Okay. Now, the next reaction is oxidation of nitrous acid to NO plus, oxidation of this nitrous acid HNO2 to NO plus. So, NO plus is known as nitrosonium ion, NO plus is known as nitrosonium ion, which is one of the most reactive intermediate formed in this nitrogen oxides. Okay. So, this HNO2, that is nitrous acid in aqueous condition, okay, in aqueous condition when it reacts with acidic proton, okay, or in presence of acid, it is get oxidized to NO plus. NO plus is nothing but NO plus ion is nothing but nitrosonium ion and water. Okay. So, this NO plus ion, that is nitrosonium ion, is very reactive and it is giving a reaction which are known as Lewis acid base type of combination. Lewis acid base type of combination. So, as it is electron deficient in nature, it is acting as Lewis acid, and SO4 minus ions, that is sulfate ions, which are in electron rich centers. So, that is why act as electron donor. So, they may be acting as a Lewis base species. Okay. So, that is why the combination of these two will form, and there is a formation of SO4 2 minus are always, sulfate ions are always dinegative ions. Okay. So, there is a formation of NO plus, formation of sulfate ions, NO plus reacts with SO4 minus ions, that is sulfate ions. There is a formation of such complex anion is formed, okay. That is why I have written it in square bracket. Such complex anion is formed, and this complex anion is nothing but SO3ONO minus, SO3ONO minus. The structure of that complex anion is shown here. Okay. Sulfur, double bond oxygen, single bond oxygen minus, single bond oxygen and NO group. Okay. So, one negative charge is present on this complex anion and it is present exactly on the oxygen atom, okay, because it is singly bonded to sulfur. Okay. So, that is why this is a this we call it as a complex anion. There is a reaction between nitrosonium ion and sulfate ion. Okay. Not only this, this nitrosonium ion, NO plus ion can be react with some other anions, and there is a formation of neutral type of compounds. For example, NO plus may be combining with fluoride ions, and there is a formation of NOF compound. So, this NOF compound is, the structure of NOF is given here. It is having a bent structure just like your water molecule, having the bond angle of 110 degree. Okay. Similarly, you can write NO plus I minus iodide ion, and there is a formation of NOI. Okay. The bond angle may be changed by some degree, okay, but the structure will be same. Okay. So, this is the reaction of NO plus ions. Then N2O3, that is dinitrogen trioxide, N2O3 dinitrogen trioxide, in which nitrogen is in +3 oxidation state. Okay. So, 3 oxygen is there, 1 oxygen is equivalent to -2 charge. So, 3 into -2 -6. Okay. So, this -6 is get neutralized by +6. So, +6 charge is divided by 2 nitrogen atoms. So, that is why this each nitrogen atom is having average oxidation number of each nitrogen in this N2O3 is +3. Okay. So, this +3 nitrogen is get converted to, is get disproportionate into +2 and +4. Okay. How? By the formation of NO and NO2. Okay. So, N2O3, that is dinitrogen trioxide gas, gets disproportionates into nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Okay. In which, see here, we are not only writing and studying these inorganic reactions of nitrogen oxides, but our what I have to emphasize you here, my point of emphasis is the change in oxidation states of nitrogen. It is +3, it is +2 and it is +4. Okay. So, this should be taken into consideration, keep in mind. Okay. So, this is all about the +4 and +3 oxidation states of nitrogen. Okay. In last lecture we have seen the +5 oxidation state. Now, the next point is nitrogen in +2 oxidation state. We are coming from +5 to +1. So, +5 and +4 +3 are over. Now, consider about +2. So, nitrogen is in +2 oxidation state is NO. What is NO? It is also called as nitric oxide. The name of this oxide is nitric oxide. The name of this gas is nitric oxide. Okay. So, it is a odd electron species. How it is a odd electron species? The total number of nitrogen present, yes, 7 plus oxygen 8. 7 plus 8, it is 15. So, this NO is having 15 electron count, total electron count is 15. So, that is why it is a odd electron species. Okay. And this nitric oxide reacts with this oxygen gas. Only few reactions can be seen with this nitrogen oxide. Okay. And this NO, when reacts with oxygen gas, there is a formation of more stable nitrogen dioxide. Okay, in which NO2 in which nitrogen is in +4 oxidation state. Okay, nitrogen is in +4 oxidation state. Okay, so +2 nitrogen is get converted to +4 by the oxidation reaction with molecular oxygen. Okay, and the last one is nitrogen is in +1 oxidation state, and it is called nitrogen 1 oxide, that is N2O. Nitrogen 1 oxide, that is N2O, and the more correctly we can write the structure of that N2O as NNO. NNO. Okay. So, the average oxidation state, average oxidation number of this N2O, average oxidation number of nitrogen atoms present in this N2O is equal to +1. Okay. How it is? As oxygen always is in -2 oxidation state. Okay. So, this 2 nitrogen must be in +2 oxidation state. So, +2 charge is get carried by 2 nitrogen atoms. So, that is why each nitrogen atom is having +1 oxygen +1 charge. Okay. So, that is why we can call it as a average oxidation number of each nitrogen atom in this N2O is +1. Okay. Then this nitric oxide, that is N2O, N2O, that is nitrous oxide. Name of this compound is nitrous oxide. Name of this compound is nitrous oxide, N2O. Okay, it is not nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is NO. Okay, so N2O, it is called nitrous oxide. Okay, it is in +1 oxidation state, that we have seen. It is also called as laughing gas. We are familiar with this word, laughing gas. Okay, and why it is called laughing gas, that we are going to see here. Okay. The preparation of this nitrous oxide is given here. It is prepared by the molten ammonium nitrate. Okay. So, this molten ammonium nitrate NH4NO3 at 250 degrees Celsius, it get disproportionates into N2O, that is nitrous oxide and water. Nitrous oxide and water. Okay. So, what are the properties of this nitrous oxide? It is colorless. It is a colorless gas. Colorless, and it is unreactive gas. Colorless and unreactive gas means it is inert gas, or it is not reacting at all. Mostly it is not reacting with many of the gases. Okay. So, that is why it is unreactive or inert gas, and it is also colorless gas. Based on these properties, there are some uses of this laughing gas, okay, or nitrous oxide, such as this N2O, that is nitrous oxide, can be used for many years. It was used as mild anesthetic. It was used as a mild anesthetic gas. Okay, means it is used for the operative purposes in medical sciences. Okay. So, that is why it is called as mild anesthetic. Then, but it was used as anesthetic, but after some years when research has been done on this N2O, then some side effects can be seen, and these side effects are physiological side effects, that mild hysteria has been produced in the patients, mild hysteria has been produced in the patients, and that is why from that time this was not used as a anesthetic in the medical sciences. Okay. And due to the production of or the formation due to the formation of this mild hysteria in the patients, so some research has been done on that nitrous oxide gas, and then it is found that this gas can be used as a laughing gas. Okay. So, this gas is known as laughing gas. Okay. So, some laughs have been produced among the peoples when this gas is get ingested or it get engulfed by the people. Okay. Then the third use is analgesic in childbirth. Okay. So, this gas has been used as a 50-50%. Okay. As a 50-50 proportion, this gas has been used as a analgesic in childbirth in many countries. Okay. So, this is all about the oxides of nitrogen and oxyanions of nitrogen with their different oxidation states and the interconversion of these oxidation states into one another. Okay. So, all these reactions and some structures are important from the exam point of view. You have to remember all these things. Okay. You have by doing practice on your paper. Okay. So, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.